5 Best Steam Cleaner for Carpets Reviews. Number 1. Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. This steamer is a high-quality item from the Hoover production company. It is a powerful, lightweight carpet cleaner that leaves your floor spotless. Drying is fast thanks to the heat force power. The machine is great in eliminating pet messes that can be uncomfortable on your floor. For easy cleaning, it features separate dual tanks, and that separates your dirty water from clean water. In addition to that, the low-profile foot helps you to remove stains anywhere without any issue. Hoover Best Carpet and Upholstery Steam Cleaners feature a compactor and lightweight design which eases its portability and management. It is a portable cleaning tool with a tank size of up to 51 ounces. The machine weighs up to 9 pounds, which is a manageable load. Other than that, the machine is ready to use after purchase since it doesn't require any assembly. Number 2. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro. This is a 3-time pro cleaning machine that works very effectively to ensure carpets are sparkly clean. The cleaning power of this machine works well even on tough stains and embedded dirt on the carpet. It is equipped with 2 cleaning solutions to ensure utmost cleanliness. You will just love the length of the corded cable and the hose. They are long enough to ensure you do not miss any marks or stains on the floor, for it can stretch to the desired reach. In addition, the brushes are efficient to clean all dirt in any form, both the heavy and light stains. Number 3. Bissell Little Green ProHeat. An ideal multi-purpose cleaner that delivers deep cleaning services to your carpets. This makes it the best carpet steam cleaner that does not compromise on delivering services to your floors at all times. There are no chances of leaving any stains on the floor surfaces. The steam cleaner is able to dry carpets in a faster way, and with 9 amps power ratings, it will offer guaranteed cleanliness. The cleaner is also made of an inch-built hot water heater. This is to offer more positive results to those carpets of yours. This steam cleaner has a large dirt storage, so you don't have to keep emptying it when cleaning. A flexible hose is also available for facilitating movement purposes. It also offers a guarantee on the complete stain and dirt removal with the tough brushes. Number 4. Bissell ProHeat 2X. It is engineered to offer fast and efficient cleaning services. The manufacturers have ensured it is a powerful one that will offer carpet cleaning at a low cost. The steam cleaner is also able to work out all staring on the carpets and pet beds with great ease. With the many rows for spinning dirt, you will find it to work best. Bissell manufacturers are keen to ensure it makes your floor look best. This by the fact that it is able to remove stains that look to be irremovable. The new cleaning mode also makes it remove even odors that smell unpleasantly. Moreover, the carpet is dried in a very fast way after cleaning, such that you don't need external materials to dry the carpet. Number 5. Dupray 1 Steam Cleaner. Dupray 1 Steam Cleaner is an ideal best carpet steam cleaner that comes with very great cleaning solutions. With one fill, you can clean nearly for about 1 hour. Thus, you will need very little time to navigate through that furniture that may seem unreachable by other cleaners. The steam cleaner contains very powerful steam that promotes cleaning. This steam is put to under high pressures that ensure a 99.9% stain removal formula. After which powerful brushes accompany the steam to clean, and the fine quality sponge takes charge to dry the floors. Moreover, it has a long handle that you can use even to clean the carpets under the furniture like seats. Happy you will be when you will see your carpets as sparklingly clean.